this question about in the Torah. I don't know if this is like a general rule, but I've seen several times that when Hashem speaks directly to someone in the Torah, Hashem calls the person once by his name. But then when he sends an angel, when he says the angel of Hashem talked to this person, it said this angel calls the person twice. I've seen this happen with Moshe Rabbeinu, with Yaakov Avinu, with Abraham Avinu. So I was wondering why is that? Why the angel calls him twice? They say like Abraham, Abraham, Jacob, Jacob, and Hashem only calls a person once. Why is that?
I'll also just explain when he calls somebody twice, you show the endearment to that person. Right, so you have a little son Yaakov. So Yaakov, come here. So it's one time say Yaakov is enough, but you love him so much, so you treasure his name. Right. So same is Hashem. Right, and when it says angel of Hashem, so sometimes it means Hashem. Sometimes it means that his representative. So and they use exactly the same speech as Hashem told them. They don't do variations. You understand? So they do exactly the same. Whatever they were told, they repeat. And it's very interesting since we're on a topic. We just learned recently about Eliyahu Hanavi and then the prophets in general. And one thing about you would say, why do you need so many prophets? Right? So, is it one prophet enough? And they say it's not enough. So not on the top, on the level of Eliyahu Hanavi, Elisha Hanavi. We're not talking about them. Like on a smaller scale. Why is that? Because they get the general message without exact wording. And since all of the prophets have their own style of speaking, right? If you ask 5 different people, you show them exactly the same episode or something, they say clip 1 minute, and ask them to describe the clip, they would describe that what happened in this clip in different wordings. Some would make an accent on these details and that detail. Somebody would skip and he give his own insight. And that's actually the thing with these prophets, because most of the prophecies were not as clear as Moshe Rabbeinu, and they had to develop their skills to interpret what was said. You understand? So that's the difference between prophets, saying whatever they saw, and angel of Hashem. Angel of Hashem is speaks directly what They have a script. They don't go deviate left or right from the script. Okay, so meaning what? That's what Hashem said to them in audible voice. So it would be they were not on this level as a Moshe Rabbeinu. So but they would hear the voice speaking. Of course, Hashem had to do it through the intermediary. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi. Thank you very much.